step into the 2006 Subaru Tribeca. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: CD player, rear spoiler, passenger illuminated visor mirror, stability control, driver vanity mirror, floor mats, automatic headlights, power outlet, and power driver seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.